this video we will discuss about the English vowel sounds. Let us understand the sounds that are present in English language with the help of examples. First of all, in this video, let us discuss the monophthongs. Monophthongs are the single vowel sounds that are present in English, and these are a total of 12 monophthongs. So let us see the sounds that are represented by these monophthongs. First, let us see the front vowels. First comes E. This E sound is an elongated sound of E. So there is this two dot at the side of E sound and represented by the word feel. Feel. So this is a longer version of the E sound. And just below the longer version of the E sound, then comes the short version of the E sound, that is E, represented by the word fill. Fill. It's a short E. So there is no two dots at the side of this sound. Then comes the A sound. A. Sit. Sit. Then A. A. Sound is represented by this symbol A. Set. Set. So a total of 4 front vowels are there in English language. Then let us look at the back vowels that are present in the language. First, A. A. Then again we can see here two dots are present here, just below the at the side of this vowel. A, represented by the word ka. Ka. Then the O sound. O, represented by the word pot. Pot. Then comes the O sound. O. O. It's an elongated version of the O sound. That's why again we have two dots at the side of this sound. Coat. 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 Then comes U. U. Short version of the U sound. Put. 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 Then the longer version of the U sound. That's why we have these two dots here, represented by the word pool. Pool. Swimming pool. And at last we have the central vowels. We have the sound here, A. Cut. Cut. It's a very short sound, represented by the word cut. Then we have the sound A. Bird. Bird. Then we have this short. So here we have the diphthongs that are present in English language. We have a total of 8 diphthongs. So in this side we have the closing diphthongs, and in this side we have the centering diphthongs. So let us look at these diphthongs one by one and try to see what these sounds represent. So diphthongs is the combination of two vowel sounds. So if you can see here, all these sounds are combinations of two sounds, two vowel sounds. Remember, two vowel sounds. So let us look at the first sound here, A. A, represented by the word play. Play. Then again we have I. I. Fly. Fly, represented by the word fly. Then we have L. 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 This is short R sound. So in English, in standard English, this is not go but go. 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 So it's very funny to pronounce this sound in Indian English, but in Indian English we simply say this word as go, not go. But in standard English, people generally articulate this word as go. Go. Then we have ow, as in the word noun. Noun. Then we have oi. Oi. oi, represented by the word boy. So these were the closing diphthongs. So now let us look at the centering diphthongs. Ear, 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 schwa. This is a schwa. Ear, fear, fear, fear. So at last, the ra in this word is not articulated in English, standard English. So we pronounce this word as fear, fear. Then comes air, 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 represented by the word fair, fair. Again we see the ra sound is not pronounced in the standard form of English. Then we have poor, 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 represented by the word poor, poor. So these three sounds have this one common factor, that the ra sound is not exactly pronounced as it is represented in the word, but in reality the ra sound is not articulated. So we have fear, fair, poor. So these were the diphthongs that are present in English language, a total of 8 diphthongs. So previously we have seen that there are like 12 monophthongs, 12 monophthongs plus 8 diphthongs. So we have a total of 20 vowel sounds in English language. 20 vowel sounds. So that's all for this video today. So see you next time.